today we are going to make homemade granola. So we'll be walking you through the steps together. My name is Megan Stamp, and I'm the education manager here at the Boys and Girls Club of Riverview. And this is
Andre from California, Saskatoon.
Perfect. Well, I'm glad to have you, Andre. All right, so what's the first step?
First step is whisk together the oil, honey, cinnamon, and salt.
Okay, perfect. So what we have on the table is we've got oil, we've got our cinnamon, we've got honey, and we've got our salt. So let's mix it all together. Oil, your honey, your cinnamon, and your salt all together. So oil goes in first.
It's okay, folks. It happens all the time when you're a pro chef.
Yeah. The hazards of the job. You know? Awesome. Oh, yeah, you're just gonna sprinkle it in. And cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Perfect. All right, so we're gonna mix that all together. So once you've got your oil, your honey, your cinnamon, and your salt in the bowl, mix it all together. All right, so once you have all that mixed together, you're gonna add the oats. Perfect. So once the oats are added, you can add other ingredients. So you can add almonds, but because we're in that free facility here, we've decided to add coconut and raisins. So once you've mixed it all together, we're gonna spread it all out on a baking sheet. So we have all of our stuff together, all of our ingredients are mixed up, so we're gonna spread it over a baking sheet. And we are going to put this in the oven for about 20 minutes.
Hi, I'm Annie. And I'm Shelby. And we just took the granola out of the oven, and now we've cut up some fruit, and we're gonna put it in the bowl with the yogurt. So I'm just gonna take a spoonful like this and just put it in there. And then we're gonna take some strawberries because we cut up this fruit. Now we can put in some blueberries. Now a few bananas. And now you can put your spoon in, and you're a professional. We challenge you to try a recipe at home.